went back to the fishing boat, hiding my shaking in practice strokes. That night of vows that roosters cry still wrap my throat like tangled ropes. I said I'm going fishing, but what I pulled ashore was only a net of emptiness and more. All night I worked and caught nothing, like the truest irony of those 3 years I followed you so faithfully. And you lit a charcoal fire on the morning shore and asked me, do you have anything to eat? As if nothing had happened before, as if I were only an ordinary disciple coming back from a long night at sea. But the smell of that fire was the same as the courtyard, and in the scent of bread and fish I knew this was your tender way of confronting me. You asked me, do you love me? The first time I said you know. The second time I bowed my head and whispered soft, you know. The third time tears broke open and all I had was you know. You knew every betrayal, still you handed bread and fish. You knew every weakness, still you said, feed my sheep, not go and prove yourself, but come and follow me once again, starting from this fire beside the sea. So this is how you restore me, not by erasing memory, but by meeting me in the same old scent and giving it a new story by the charcoal fire. I am no longer just the one who denied. I am the one entrusted. The deepest healing comes when I face the smell of that night and hear a voice earlier than the roosters cry, saying, come and have breakfast. So now I sit beside each fire that you ignite, and in the ashes of my failure receive your tending light. You do not ask me, why did you fall? You ask me, do you love me? And now I've learned not to answer out of pride, but to turn the rest of my life into one simple reply. You know that I love you. Then I reach out and take the bread and take the coal. The fire is exposure, but also warmth. The rooster's cry is warning, but also dawn. And your breakfast is for every fisherman who spent the night with empty hands, a chance to begin again on the same